Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back. My name is Will. This is the Women YouTube channel. Quick sales pitch, like always. Like, comment, subscribe, all those things mean the world to me. They really help please the whole YouTube algorithm by pushing my content out there. So if you like these types of videos or you found this video helpful in the end, think about, hitting that subscribe button or at least liking, commenting, all of those things. Like I said, they mean the world to me. So today we're back working on the S650 Mustang GT. We got some more badass carbon fiber parts from Extreme Online Store. If you haven't watched any of my other videos, scroll down below, check out the whole playlist on the S650. We got a lot of pretty cool mod videos out there. So like I said, some more parts from Extreme Online Store, some more carbon fiber stuff. I got it right on the table right here behind me, so I'm going to turn you guys around and show you what we're going to be installing today. So right over here, like I said, from Extreme Online Store, we have some carbon fiber tail light bezels. They're going to go right around here on the tail lights, so all around like this area in between the lighting here, it's all going to be carbon fiber. And I got a lot of carbon like fiber trim pieces like on my Mustang. I have the gurney flap right there, got the mirror covers right here. Up front we have the little eyelids as well as the intake ducts right there, and then on the inside of the Mustang we have like all the interior right there, right there, right there, up here, the steering wheel. So yeah, as you can tell, I'm definitely into carbon fiber, and we're doing like a bunch of carbon fiber exterior bits on this. So this is going to really complement the back because I have plans for more carbon fiber here, more carbon fiber up there. So yeah, I think these little bezels are really going to look cool, and they'll look really cool once I get new tail lights as well. So let's go over here, check them out. I've already gone ahead and opened up the box. They're in here, packaged really nice. And there you go. As you can see, carbon fiber, real deal carbon fiber, no imitation stuff. This is in a gloss finish, really nice. And the cool thing about this is that the install is super simple. It's just held on there with some double-sided 3M tape. So all we got to do is clean the tail lights, peel off this backing tape, and stick them on there. So I'm gonna go ahead, throw you on a tripod, and get that done. And just like that, boys and girls, we got the bezels installed on there. It looks badass. The fit is perfect. Super stoked on this. I think it's gonna look really sick once we get the deck lid installed as well across here. So that whole piece there is gonna just be a whole like sheet of carbon fiber almost. So yeah, as you can see, fit is perfect. They look really sweet, and yeah, it's just gonna look even better once those taillights get switched out as well. So yeah, really stoked on this. Store links and product links are gonna be down in the description below. Like I said, these are from Extreme Online Store right there. They're the homies. They're really hooking us up lately. So yeah, go check them out and pick up some sweet accessories for your S650 Mustang. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this one, guys. Another quick install on the S650 Mustang. Once again, thanks you guys over at Extreme Online Store. Links, all that are going to be down in the description below. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. If you like the S650, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos on the whole project. If you don't know, this thing is like a stage 3 VMP supercharged S650. So yeah, like it's a pretty badass build, and we're going to be just doing more stuff to it. So yeah, if you like the S650, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. As always, everyone, my name's Will. This is the Wimmy YouTube channel. Thanks for kicking it with me. Yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Later, everybody.